Hey there, cookie enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with a review of what we believe is one of the best cookie cutter sets out there, the FUSOTO 9 pieces number cookie cutter set. If you're a fan of themed cookies and baking creativity, you'll want to stick around for this. Now, what sets these cookie cutters apart? Well, first off, they're not your ordinary cookie cutters. This set includes 9 stainless steel cutters shaped like numbers from 0 to 8. With the clever inclusion of a reversible 6 that turns into a 9, perfect for any celebratory occasion. These cutters are made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. They're not just for cookies. You can use them for cutting through fondant, bread, sandwiches, cheese, and even soft fruits. Their smooth surface and rust resistance make them easy to clean and maintain. But remember, they're hand wash only for longevity. Whether you're preparing for a birthday bash, a holiday gathering, or just a cozy family baking session, these cookie cutters add that special touch to your treats. The versatility here is key, from creating themed birthday cookies to adding a festive flair to your holiday desserts. Now, you might be wondering, how does this stack up against other cookie cutter sets? Well, unlike some sets that might compromise on durability or versatility, the FUSOTO set stands out with its sturdy construction and the ability to handle various types of dough and foods. One of the standout features is the metal layer on top of each cutter, ensuring safety and preventing any mishaps during your baking adventures. Just remember to store them in a dry place after use to maintain their quality. To wrap things up, the FUSOTO 9 pieces number cookie cutter set is a fantastic addition to any baking arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, these cutters offer quality, ease of use, and endless possibilities for creativity in the kitchen. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and kitchen tips. Until next time, happy baking!